This is cabin 6455. This is an interior. This is our cabin. It's just a regular interior. We've gotten to see many types of interior cabins on this ship. They pretty much, from a layout, have all looked the same. The only difference has been the decor. When you first come in, you have two closets. One side is hanging. The other side here is drawers, shelves, and a safe. And further in here, you have your desk area with a lighted mirror. From a power standpoint, there's one European, two US, two USB, and a little stool right there. Okay, there's a hair dryer. And there. On this side is your TV. You have your mini fridge underneath here, some shelves, water, and all that stuff. As I was pointing the camera over here earlier, there's your bed. As you can see, it's in its king configuration. You can separate it if need be. If you do separate it, the two nightstands that are on the end actually end up in the middle. There is no additional power here by the bed, just the nightstands. The bathroom, old school shower, y'all, meaning got a curtain, even though it's a relatively new ship. Though it's a halfway decent size shower, I think, not too bad. Toilet is in a great place for someone my size. It's 6'4", so definitely good for the tall and fluffy. You have 6 shelves, 3 on one side, 3 on the other. Makeup mirror, power, single basin sink, some storage down there. So there is your regular inside cabin here on the Carnival Horizon. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao!